Do you set the same New Year's resolutions every year? Do you recommit to the same goal, promising yourself that you'll finally finish it? If you answered yes, know that you're not alone. In the vast canvas of life, your goals are the brushstrokes that create a masterpiece of achievements. Imagine a world where your aspirations know no bounds, where each step you take is a stride towards your deepest desires. The world is within your reach, and the key that unlocks its door is goal setting. Imagine having the best ship in the world, but without a destination, you will only drift around, going nowhere. Goals are not mere wishes. They are the seeds of your future success, waiting to be sown. They are the lighthouses that guide your ship through stormy seas, reminding you of your destination, even when the waves seem overwhelming. The act of setting goals transforms vague notions into concrete targets, and with determination and effort, these targets become the stepping stones to your dreams. Every great journey starts with a single step, and your journey towards greatness begins with defining your goals. Whether they are small and immediate, or grand and long-term, each goal you set propels you forward. They provide you with a roadmap, a clear path to follow amidst life's labyrinth. They give you the focus and discipline to weather challenges and rise above obstacles. Think of your goals as the stars that light up the night sky of your aspirations. They inspire you to reach higher, to stretch your limits, and to break free from the confines of comfort. Setting goals is like harnessing the energy of a comet, propelling you towards an extraordinary destiny. It's not about where you are today, but about where you dare to go tomorrow. In the realm of goal setting, you hold the pen that writes your own story. Each goal achieved is a chapter of your triumph, etched into the book of your life. Embrace the power of persistence, for it's the force that turns setbacks into comebacks. As you chase your goals, you'll discover strengths that you never knew you possessed, resilience that keeps you standing, and a fire that keeps you moving forward. Imagine embarking on a cross-country road trip without a map or GPS. You might wander aimlessly, missing out on breathtaking sights and memorable experiences. Similarly, goal planning equips you with a map for your life's journey. It directs your focus, illuminates your path, and ensures that each step leads you closer to the horizon of your dreams. Setting goals is a pragmatic tool that helps us stay on track in the midst of life's complexities. It's like charting a map to reach a specific destination. Goals give us a clear sense of where we're heading and keeps us focused on what needs to be done. They serve as reminders of what we're striving for and why. Goals provide a boost of motivation, especially on days when tasks seem daunting. When we break down our ambitions into smaller steps, it becomes easier to make progress and measure how far we've come. This process ensures that our efforts are purposeful and effective. Along the way, we pick up new skills and knowledge, broadening our capabilities. Sharing our goals with others holds us accountable and provides a support network. Ultimately, setting goals is a practical approach to getting things done, pushing us to take consistent action and achieve the outcomes we desire. Here's a practical list of tips to help you get started with setting goals. 1. Be specific. When setting goals, avoid generalities. Instead, be precise about what you want to achieve. For example, instead of a vague goal like get healthier, aim for exercise for 30 minutes 5 times a week, or reduce sugar intake by half. Specific goals provide a clear target, making it easier to create a plan and measure progress. 2. Use the SMART criteria. The SMART criteria help ensure your goals are effective and well structured. Each goal should be specific, clearly defined and focused, measurable, quantifiable so you can track your progress, achievable, realistic and attainable within your abilities and resources, relevant, aligned with your overall aspirations and values, time-bound, set within a specific time frame, providing a sense of urgency. 3. Start small. Begin with goals that are manageable and relatively easy to achieve. These small wins build your confidence and motivation, propelling you forward. For example, if you're aiming to read more, start with a goal of reading 1 book per month before progressing to more ambitious reading goals. 4. Create an action plan. Break down each goal into actionable steps. Consider the tasks you need to complete, the resources required, and the order in which they should be accomplished. If your goal is to learn a new language, your action plan might include tasks like choosing a learning platform, setting a study schedule, and practicing speaking with native speakers. 5. Monitor progress. Regularly track your progress to stay on top of your goals. Set milestones along the way and celebrate your achievements. This helps you identify any areas where you might be falling behind or need to make adjustments. Use tools like calendars, apps, or journals to keep a record of your progress. By following these detailed tips, you'll set yourself up for effective goal setting. Be specific, using the SMART criteria, starting small, creating an action plan, and monitoring progress will enhance your ability to achieve your goals and make your journey more organized and fulfilling. Remember, goal setting isn't just about the end result. It's all about the journey you undertake. It's about the transformation you undergo, the lessons you learn, and the person you become along the way. So, dream big, dare to imagine the extraordinary, and set goals that light your soul on fire. In the symphony of existence, you are both the composer and the conductor. Set the tempo with your goals and let the music of achievement fill the air. Embrace the challenges, relish the victories, and let the journey towards your aspirations be the most remarkable adventure of your lifetime. Rise up, goal setter extraordinaire, and paint the canvas of your life with the vibrant hues of your ambitions. The world awaits the masterpiece that only you can create.